How to use Google Keep Label Organize feature. To use this feature, what you can do is simply open the application itself. And then what you can do is use this sorting filters in this top search bar. By simply tapping on this arrow option, you can select these options between date created and date modified, which will also give you a good way to organize label. Or what you can do is simply tap on this plus icon to create a new one, and then simply tap any of these options. And in this title section, what you can do is simply give itself a title with number 1. And you can also set another project to number 2 and number 3, and so and so. Once you do so, the sorting will be much more easier. And to search it up, you can simply tap on this plus icon or the search bar, and then simply type that specific title name, and you should be able to find it easily. I hope this video helps you out a lot. If you have any questions or queries, please do comment down below.